Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, sunshine right now. Well, it really depends on where you are at this hour, but sunny skies, warm and humid in Providence right now. But you head towards Washington County and the South Coast, and this really just changed in the last hour with the high humidity. The low clouds and fog have rolled in. Really, most of Washington County, the southern part of the state, the low clouds have taken over, and the net result, some cooler temperatures. And when we look at the threat tracker, we're going to elevate Thursday, especially late afternoon and early evening, to yellow. And the concern here, or the risk, is that we may have some scattered thunderstorms mid to late day, some of which may be on the strong side. So we're going to watch the skies very closely with the approach of a cold front. And again, the timing on this appears to be late afternoon and early evening around this time. Meanwhile, the Severe Storms Prediction Center has a large area shaded in yellow. You follow the category here of a slight risk of strong to severe thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. When we take a look at the future radar and we put this into motion, and notice how some of these storms that start to come through by later tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. In the meantime, we are tracking scattered thunderstorms in the Hudson Valley of New York right now. So the highest chances of anything strong to severe this evening would be Western Mass and Western Connecticut. I do expect these to weaken as they approach sometime after 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. Meanwhile, tracking a cold front off to our west, right in here, and that'll be the mechanism to set off some additional scattered storms here later tomorrow afternoon and into early tomorrow evening. The tropics are starting to heat up. We take you way out into the open Atlantic. That is a newly formed tropical storm, and the Hurricane Center also watching an area in the Gulf of Mexico. This is Tropical Storm Gonzalo with winds now at 45 miles per hour. Very small storm. It's not large in size, and the winds are only around 45 to 50. Expected to become a Category 1 hurricane over the next several days, and then weaken back into a tropical storm in the Caribbean by early next week on Monday. Clearly many, many days away from the continental U.S., if at all, so a lot of time to be looking at this. But a reminder that now, as we're into the middle part of the summer, the hurricane season starts to ramp up. All right, starting off at 7 o'clock this evening, you see the clouds and fog along the coastline and some sunshine inland, scattered showers and thunderstorms off to our west. The arrival time is between roughly 9 and 11 o'clock this evening, and the better chance of these colors of red, which indicates some downpours and heavier thunder, would be areas inland away from the coastline. This is midnight. All of this pulling away, and then we quiet down the rest of the night. So by tomorrow morning, we're waking up to clouds and fog, warm and humid. I really don't see much in the way of rain or thunder tomorrow morning. But once we get towards mid to late afternoon on Thursday, you start to see some of these pop-up showers and storms developing. A very warm and humid day, especially towards late afternoon and into the early evening hours. So at this point, I would say 70% of the daylight hours of tomorrow would be rain and storm free until we get to around this time tomorrow afternoon and evening, late day and early evening. So for tomorrow morning, early morning fog burning off to hazy sunshine, 11 a.m., 82. We're well into the 80s, a warm and muggy afternoon, and mid to late day, scattered showers and thunderstorms, and some may be strong to borderline severe. So we'll keep you updated. 7-day forecast, extra clouds on Friday, not as hot at 85. The weekend, though, sunny, very warm to hot, mid-80s on Saturday. We're talking low 90s on Sunday and Monday of next week with sunshine and temperatures in the lower 70s. Mike and Shannon.